Yo, it's your boy J-Dot out here at the Friday Night Car Meet. Man, we're about to have a good night, bro. And there's about to be so much action, but you guys will see in the video. See ya. We got AJ Bands in the building.
You did? I can't help Cat today.
Word.
To see his ass here. What you drinking on?
Just found 2 random dogs. Their owners are on the way. Criminals.
Luke the Snoop.
Almost not shy at all.
Walking back up to the little group. Very windy outside tonight. You already know.
Everybody can get it. Bro, you I always got better, bro.
I ain't racing nobody. I ain't racing nobody till I get my Hellcat in that bitch. Then I'm or my underground tune. My tune.
Trying to race for some bread?
You supposed to do this shit for the enthusiasm, bro. I don't got time for that, bro. You know motherfuckers not trying to really race for no money out here, bro. You better get your ass in the seat, put it in first gear, left foot brake, do whatever, stage that bitch and run it. Who? That bitch gonna gap me, bro. Fuck. I'll still race you though. I'll still race you though. You wanna race, we can race. Fuck it. I got a Beamer or a Benz.
A Beamer or a Benz?
Come on, man. That's fucking...
Yo!
Hey, I'll push this for real, gang. Just give me a little gap jump, cause you fast, bro. I ain't gonna cap.
I'm not fast, I'm slow.
Bro, it's a bro. Bro.
Alright, we gonna turn back this way?
3.5 liters straight.
Where we going? Where we racing at?
Right, turn to right. We're going down shit. We're gonna get
It's a sheriff right there.
Where? I got you. Come on.
Oh shit.
Dusting his ass.
I'm good. I don't know where the fuck the cop said I won though.
Bro, his car smells so bad, gang.
Oh shit. Yeah, where the fuck you go? Yo, what? What the? I'm not doing that shit.
Foreign swag, bitch.
I'm gonna make an example of it.
Yeah, fuck it.
I knew that shit was gonna happen. Yeah, where do you go?
All the way up there, shit.
That's the cop.
Oh!
I just raced his ass.
Ready to get embarrassed by this fucking
What's up?
kid one?
What's up?
Big ass.
Stop screaming at me, bro. I'm going out man, bro. You a man, right? Stop it. Don't fucking touch me like that, bro.
blonde hair.
Stop it. That shit. I'm not your girl, I'm not your mama, nobody, nigga. You gotta yeah, you know, bro. But you don't get loud with me, my nigga.
Here's the thing. Hey, Tony, I feel like if I did it, I feel like I did shit.
Let's run it. You know how to roll your shit? Like in a roll, like put it in the gear and then hit it? Or you just get it off the gas?
It'll one little spill in part, like when you hit the.
Like I'm talking about, he got 1 and 2. Cause
Yeah, he
I
got
one, two,
higher and
three.
low.
Put it, yeah, so I said put it in a low gear, and we do a low roll. You can hit that motherfucker straight to it.
Gavin going for a ride?
I haven't done that.
Hit it, throw the second on that beamer.
I'm not gonna lie, my training's not meant for that right now.
Everything I'm saying is motherfuckers no props. This shit,
I tell him, hey, straight to the face. I just look like an asshole on that one. Speaking, all right?
Boy took out the toolbox. That nigga took out the toolbox. He said, I ain't playing. He said, this ain't no joke.
Damn. Hey, Reckless. You're.
No. I didn't have. My shit wasn't. My cells weren't shut off.
This fucking room right here.
check it out. Hey, give me a video.
We left the car neat to get to Spin Spot, but the phone died, so the footage you see, it's not recorded from us.
Out of this lane is kind of crazy, yo. Buddy ass finna blow his shit. How is that bitch not blown the fuck up yet? There's so much shit going on, y'all. Oh! boy Chop just scooped us. You already know. I'm about to slide back to the crib. Shit. Hit y'all up when we at the crib. Oh, it's your boy J-Dot. We just got back from all that crazy stuff. Man, crazy night. Let me tell you guys, I'm so mad my phone died. We missed out on so much footage. But guess what? It's about to be a crazy summer, so there's about to be a lot more footage to see. I'll see you guys on the next one.
Run for my money. Living lovely. Just lovely. I wanna be with you. Ay. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Ay. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Me just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in a